Nós temos um filme que é A Noite dos Mortos-Vivos, que é de 68. A gente tem que reproduzir, plano a plano, o filme.
The film was made in 68, clearly responding to what was happening in Vietnam. So we think that politically it's a very significant, powerful film.
You have to start to do the unpicking work of breaking down the film into storyboards by group. Then each group will have to start wrestling a bit with the idea of like, me as a performer, what's my relationship with the camera? And what's the relationship with the camera in terms of space? And then progressively it's like as a group finding the choreography. It's like a choreography really.
The film itself has a lo-fi
quality.
B-movie quality that lends itself very well to this kind of project, to this kind of making.